Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Nova Scotia at 10:24 p.m. Atlantic Daylight Time, Monday, September 21st, 2020. A frost advisory is continued for Kings County. Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Eastern Canada at 5:22 p.m. Atlantic Daylight Time, Monday, September 21st, 2020. A tropical storm watch is continued for Kings County. A frost advisory is continued for Annapolis County. A tropical storm watch is continued for Annapolis County. Storm surge warning is continued for Queens County. A wind warning is continued for Queens County. A tropical storm warning is continued for Queens County. Storm surge warning is continued for Lunenburg County. A rainfall warning is continued for Lunenburg County. A wind warning is continued for Lunenburg County. A tropical storm warning is continued for Lunenburg County. Storm surge warning is continued for Halifax Metro and Halifax County West. A rainfall warning is continued for Halifax Metro and Halifax County West. A wind warning is continued for Halifax Metro and Halifax County West. A tropical storm warning is continued for Halifax Metro and Halifax County West. A frost advisory is continued for Hants County. A tropical storm watch is continued for Hants County. A frost advisory is continued for Colchester County, Cobequid Bay. A tropical storm watch is continued for Colchester County, Cobequid Bay. A frost advisory is continued for Cumberland County, Minas Shore. A tropical storm watch is continued for Cumberland County, Minas Shore. Forecast